You click this video, you want to make something epic, something cinematic, something worthwhile. I'm here to show you how. But first, roll that intro. So I really wanted to shoot a car commercial. Just when it comes down to it, I always want to just do product photography or product videos, and this is a great opportunity to get into it. What your goal should be during this video is to tell a story. You recently shouldn't be just marketing the product. Oh, this car is awesome. Oh, this car is super cool, but no one's gonna care. People follow a story. So this video, if you look at it again, it follows an individual going to the park and just freeing himself from the constraints of his everyday life. And that's what we want people to feel when they either watch our videos or they think of that product. So welcome back, and honestly, the first thing first, if you want to make anything look more cinematic, you film it in 24 FPS, which is 24 frames per second. This is exactly what the Hollywood films shoot in, okay? So that will make your film that much more cinematic right off the rip. Next, what you want to do is color grade your film. If you don't have any cinematic colors on it, then it's not gonna look cinematic. The next thing you wanna do is you wanna respect the viewer. What does that mean? You wanna respect the viewer's attention. You wanna provide them with as much as entertainment as possible. That means multiple angles, drone shots. You can include literally anything to help the viewer feel more engaged with the product. Definitely include B-roll of the environment or where they're going, include passing shots like I did in this shot right here. And the most important thing, probably of anything, is your sound. You want to include multiple layers of sound. I actually have a document that I always run through that I'm going to attach in the description below when I'm producing anything. It has legit from filming to planning to sound design to editing to color grading. It has every one of those steps listed below, and I follow that to a T when I'm editing stuff. I'm really sweaty right now. There's no AC in this new studio. Hope you like that edit. This is another Wednesday with Kip. Peace.